Hi everyone, this is Liz from Laptop Battery Express. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Roomba Vacuum. The link for this battery can be found in the video description. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a coupon code used only at laptopbatteryexpress.com. First, you'll need a tri-wing shaped screwdriver and your replacement battery. In this video, I'll simply be taking the same battery out and replacing it. Next, you'll want to remove the screws on the bottom of your vacuum, including the screw that keeps the brush attached. Once you've unscrewed them, you'll be able to take the back off the vacuum. Inside the vacuum, you'll see the battery. Carefully lift the battery out of the device and set it aside. Grab your new battery and carefully place it in the slot. The vacuum should make a noise confirming that the battery is in place. Finally, you'll want to replace the back cover on your vacuum and screw it back in. Once you finish that, you'll be all set to charge your Roomba. Thank you for tuning in, and you can find more information in the link in the description below.